If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah, yeah man, yeah man, yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. So for us to the face I hear the voice now, you don't know say a Cogency. But the Cogency rocks, channel. And today we have Blanco with Pain. Now, when I clicked on this, I was at the end of the preview. Preview, the premiere. And then I never went with all the comments on the side and baiting. I was like, nah, I do it. You know what I'm saying? Because the party don't start till I get there. You understand? So you don't know, premiered 15 minutes ago, bro. I'm on time this time. You understand? So nobody can chat shit to me about nothing. I'm on time. Blanco with Pain. Now, knowing Blanco, he's gonna make some type of reference to Pain from Naruto, bro. I know it, dog. I just know it, fam. Because all the Blanco songs that I did on the channel before, all of them, he said something about some anime thing. And all the Blanco listen in my free time, you don't know that, go. You don't know. Road to 2K. 1.8K with there right now. So if you see this and you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like button for me. And jump in the comments, because I reply to all the comments, bro. So you don't know. Say anything in the comments, fam. I really don't give a fuck. Yeah, that's that. So jump in the comments. You don't know it's a family. Welcome to the family. Yeah, you don't know. I say you don't know like 10 times, you know. May I put a you don't know counter. I joke, I'm not going to do that. But anyway, let's jump into this. Blanks. 300 Spartans. Oh, for the 294 for the 6 that's locked in pen. Ooh. Oh, this kick is kicking. Like my feeling on my head.
6 pounds could've went collie or uni. 8 more tryna ready that like Rooney. Feds with a question, tell us Katooni. Some of them die in the line of duty. Claim your up, look back like Hoosie. Ready or not, get scored like the Fugees. Came with a truck, no step and Bruce Lee. Ding dong, cook, Astro, Suzuki. Throwing up hand signs, I like Madara. Legendary swordsman, that's what Zabaza. They want chink, I want that Pamela. Bro with a presser, ain't from Canada. Running my
I feel like I'm going to cry now. That's right. Sight, nigga. No, but I really couldn't manage like the beat and the flows and like everything a while ago, bro. Like that melody, that high pitched thing going off. You know what I'm saying? With the heavy 808s, bro. That's, let me tell you, I'm a music producer as well. I do a lot of things, you understand? So when I hear certain things in music, dog, like it literally make my brain like fry. Like I can't manage, I swear to you. It's weird, but y'all niggas know I'm weird already, bro, so fuck you. Listen.
6 pounds could've went collie or uni. 8 more tryna ready that like Rooney. Feds with a question, tell us Katooni. Some of them die in the line of duty. Claim your up, look back like Hoosie. Ready or not, get scored like the Fugees. Came with a truck, no step and Bruce Lee. Ding dong, cook, Astro, Suzuki. Throwing up hand signs, I like Madara. Legendary swordsman, that's what Zabaza. They want chink, I want that Pamela. Bro with a presser, ain't from Canada. Running my eyes when I got
the presser ain't from Canada, and then Zabuza with the sword and oh man.
I'm Bruce Lee, ding dong, cook, Astro, Suzuki. Throwing up hand signs, I like Madara. Legendary swordsman, that's what Zabaza. They want chink, I want that Pamela, bro.
I feel like I need to explain that Madara at Zabuza bar, but I'm not going to, bro. Cause I assume most of you niggas that watching this right now watch Naruto. So I don't need to explain, bro. So leave me alone.
Throwing up hand signs, I like Madara. Legendary swordsman, that's what Zabaza. They want chink, I want that Pamela. Bro with a presser, ain't from Canada. Eyes when I got no shotgun, she want a milkshake, taking it Faraday. Guys on your block, bare times no pattern. High one in Dulwich, and new Adderton. Great Ninja War, just veterans. You know these knit no in Netherlands. No bro long shot when I carry us. Came with a ratchet, Dr. Nefarious. One foot at the mud, precarious. And I got haters, think that's hilarious. Toxic, she should have terriers. Car horsepower, bringing the chariot. Sitting in pain like a fat shot.
Bro, who, like, Blanco read the dictionary or something, dog? Bro, the man said so much word a while, bro. I don't even know if all English the man said a while ago, bro. I swear to you. Me have to go back and make sure I say all the words he said a while ago was English, cause I just bear a long word me I hear, man. I swear to you. Listen.
Summers up, ain't watching, I want that Pamela.
Not
Bro
this.
with a presser, ain't from Canada. Red in my eyes when I got no shotgun. She want a milkshake, taking it Faraday. Guys on your block, bad times, no pattern. High with Dulwich, and new additives. Great Ninja War, just veterans. You know these knit no in Netherlands. No bro, long shot when I carry us. Came with a ratchet, Dr. Nefarious. 1 foot out of mud, precarious. And I got haters, think that's hilarious. Toxic, she should have terrorists. Car horsepower, bringing the chariot. Sitting in pain like I fractured my shoulder. Wiping a cab, not older. Black sea red like the flag of Angola. Still in the state, Minnesota.
Wait, what?
Wiping a cab, not Ola. Black sea red like the flag of Angola. Still in the state, Minnesota.
Black scene red like the flag of Angola. Cause black and red like the Angola flag, but I'm not sure exactly what I'm saying.
My shoulder, wiping a cab, not Ola. Black sea red.
Ooh, I remember saying he got caught with a weapon and cab with Ms. Free Ms.
Power, bringing the chariot. Sitting in pain like I fractured my shoulder. Wiping a cab, not Ola. Black sea red like the flag of Angola. Still in the state, Minnesota. In the field, no agriculture. Bros in the camp for the coconut cola. Jakes in the rare look madder than Mola. Scared so he lost his composure. Go in a human stature, bro with an iron, Margaret Thatcher. I was in the capture, Jakes in the capture. Give it to Cedar, gives it to Kaka. Roll in with the stones, he don't know Mick Jagger. I roll in with a real tongue, he a fucking hazard.
Aye, ooh. What?
And I roll in with a real tongue, he a fucking hazard.
He a fucking hazard. Bro, my brain is like, yo, remember say Lowski did have hazard? And he said fucking hazard. I remember say Eden hazard. And bro, my brain is going off, bro. Anytime you see me like pause and like don't say anything, it's because my brain is just working, fam.
So he lost his composure. Go in a human stature, bro with an iron, Margaret Thatcher. I was in the capture, Jakes in the capture. Give it to Cedar, gives it to Kaka. Roll in with the stones, he don't know Mick Jagger. And I roll in with a real tongue, he a fucking hazard.
This world shall know pain. Almighty push.
Yeah, man. City of God. Oh, no, go check that out. Go check this out. Blanco with pain. This was 16, man. You know, Blanco give you Blanco. Some intelligent flows, some intelligent bars and words and one bag of something, dog. Still can't get over this beat, though, dog. Like, literally. That high pitch something sample was going off and then the 808s going off as well and they just kept going, dog. So it's like mad thing. I forgot work out to the song, bro. This song feel like, yo, I can just push all 200 pounds. I'm to you. Hey, bench press 200 pounds. I joke, I can't bench press 200 pounds. But anyway, man, let me know what you think about this. Road to 2K. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Jump in the comments. I reply to all the comments. And you don't know. And follow me on Instagram and DM me. I reply to all my DMs. You don't know. Blanco with pain. Let me know what you think about it. Cogency and Cogency tracks. Chadal. I want this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah.
Come
with the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.